Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Technology. Be sure to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to be updated with the latest technological videos from my channel.
Hey guys, it's George here from the channel Technology. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Kali Linux in your Windows. So in this video, I'm gonna choose virtual machine over the dual boot, because in virtual machine you can use your both main windows as well as the Linux window. So you don't need any of the pen drives or the bootable devices for the installation in this setup. But in dual boot you're gonna require all of them. So we just need two files for this. One is an ISO file of Kali Linux and a virtual machine, and I'll be choosing Vmware Workstation Pro as a virtual machine. So without delaying, let's get into the video.
Okay guys, we are back to our computer screen. So here I'll be showing you practically how to install Kali Linux on your virtual machine. I'll be using VMware Workstation Pro for this installation setup. So to download VMware Workstation, you need to go to this website. I'll be providing links in the description below. And for Kali Linux, you can go to kali.org and just go to download section. And here you can download as per your requirement. You can download direct or torrent file. It doesn't matter how you download. The thing you need is the ISO file. Okay, now let's head towards our tutorial. Okay, now after completing the installation of VMware Workstation Pro that you downloaded from here, from here, just open it. You'll be asked for some product keys. I'll be providing this product key in my website. You can check in the description for the link of my website, so you don't need to worry about that. I'll be providing every of the things that are required for this tutorial. So I'll be skipping this step because I have already confirmed it. Now let me take you through the VMware Workstation. Okay, after installing the VMware Workstation, you'll be seeing this interface. I'm using VMware Workstation 12 Pro. You'll be redirected to, I guess, VMware Workstation Pro 15. It doesn't matter with the version. The thing you need is the way to install it. So here you can go to create a new virtual machine. Okay, we'll be going through typical as always. Okay, and here we'll be selecting the ISO file. Okay, and then I'll be browsing for that. And here we have that one, the downloads, I guess. Okay, downloads. Know this file name. Okay, this one is the file name. Okay, let me open it. Okay, I've got this now. Now click on next, and here choose Linux. You want to 64-bit. Now hit next. Here you can give the name of your virtual machine. I'll be giving the name as Linux, okay, and the location where these files are gonna be stored. I'll be storing these necessary files in the local drives E. I'll be creating a new folder. Okay, and hit OK. Now my location has been changed. Now click next. Okay, here it is said that recommended size is 20 GB. You can take the size as per your requirement. It doesn't matter how much you take, but I recommend you to use at least 50 GB. If you have or 30, that's fine, but I recommend you to use 50 GB. Although it's recommending you to use 20 GB, I recommend you to use 50 GB at least. And split, no, you should go to store virtual disk as a single file, because the splitting file may cause sometimes error since a file gets scattered in many ways. When you store virtual disk as a single file, it will get accommodated in the single file. That makes a bit easier. So we'll be going to next. Now hardware customization is required. You can give the memory as per your requirement. I have 8 GB memory, so I'll be giving 2 GB, okay? And then close it. Okay, now it's set. Now click on finish. Okay, now our virtual machine has been created. Now we need to provide a boot file over here. So click on power on this virtual machine. Okay, or you can go directly over through here. It doesn't matter. Okay, the setup will be starting just now. Okay, just go to graphical install or custom install. I'm choosing graphical install. Okay, now the setup is rolling. Okay, choose the language you prefer. I recommend you to use English language. Hit continue. Choose your territory. I'll be choosing United States itself. So click continue. American English. Okay, now it is running the setup. The setup runs as per your system speed. So it may differ from my PC to your PC or your PC to my PC. So don't panic. Just wait and give it a time. Okay, it's working through it. Now host name. It's asking for the host name. So I'll be leaving Kali itself. Domain name, leave it blank. Now choose your password. Okay, confirm it and click continue. And it's setting the time clock. Okay, I'll be choosing the region as Eastern region itself. Click continue. This setup is quite easier, but at some place, okay, this place has came over here. You should use guided use entire disk over here. So click continue. Okay, click continue over the selected file. Now all file in one partition. This you should remember. Okay, click continue. And do not make any of the changes over here. Just select over the page partitioning and write the changes to disk and click continue. Yes, check on yes. Click continue. Okay, it's formatting the partitions. Now it's installing the system. This setup may take some time and this time may differ from your system to my system and my system to your system since the processing speed of system differs from another system. So you should wait till the setup gets completed. So I'll be skipping this video till the setup gets completed. Okay guys. Okay guys, here it is. The system installation has completed and now we are over here. Now we need to complete some steps to complete this setup, so we'll head towards it. Okay, now we are over here. It's asking to use a network mirror or not. We'll be going through as and click on continue. Okay, leave it blank, click continue. Okay, it will be configuring the apt. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay, now it's installing the GRUV bootloader. I guess it will ask for some permission. Okay, it is asking for installation of GRUV bootloader to the master boot record MBR. So click on yes and click continue. Okay, click on the /dev/sta and click continue. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, the installation is heading towards the finish line. Very excited to see the installation being completed. It is setting up for the startup files. Okay, here we are. The installation has been completed. So click continue. Okay, now we'll be booting up to the system. So wait for a while till it starts to boot up files and starts running the system. Okay, the system is starting now. Just wait for a few seconds, it will automatically boot up. Okay, the startup is running now. Okay, it's going on. Wait for a while till the system starts. It will ask for a login password that we used previously over the administration password, if you remember that. Okay, the username will be root, root, root. Click enter, and password that you used previously as the administration password. So I'm entering over here. Okay, now the Linux is starting. Okay guys, we are here with the new Kali Linux window, and this is how we install the Kali Linux in the virtual machine.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, do not forget to leave the thumbs up, and if you have any problems in any of these tips, you can mention in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe my channel to see more videos from me.